The topic for today is parts of computer revision. This is our unit 3. So the contents that we are going to cover are: first, we will be seeing the main parts of the computer. Then we will discuss how the main parts of a desktop and a laptop are similar to each other. And then we'll see some additional parts of computer. So let's start. Main parts of computer. As we all know, the box-like thing which is there on the screen, it is called as the CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU controls all the other parts of the computer. This means CPU controls monitor, keyboard and mouse, and if we are adding some additional parts to a computer, they are also controlled by the CPU. So in short, we can say all parts must be connected to CPU in order to them for work. Now let us see the next part. The screen-like thing is called as the monitor. Monitor shows us video, movies, games, icons, text, whatever appears on your computer can be seen on the monitor. The next part we are going to discuss is mouse. Mouse is called a pointing device, and a mouse has two buttons and one scroll wheel. It is used to point and select objects on the monitor. The next part is keyboard. Keyboard has got so many keys, and these keys are used to type alphabets, letters, numbers and symbols on the monitor. Hence, a keyboard is also called as a typing device. Now let us see how the computer and the laptop are similar in terms of the main parts. So on the left side is the desktop and on the right side is the laptop. Both of them have monitor. Both of them have got a CPU. The desktop has its own CPU separately, whereas in the laptop, the CPU is located below the keyboard. Both of them have the keyboard. A desktop computer has a mouse, and in laptop, the mouse is replaced by touchpad. So that's how these two are similar. Now, let us see some additional parts of computer. All those parts which we can connect externally through to a computer are called as additional parts of a computer. This is called as the speaker. Speaker is used to make the sound louder. We usually use it to listen to the music. And this is called as the printer. Printer is used to print the important pages or the documents on the paper. So, in short, we can say printer prints on the paper. The next thing we are going to discuss is microphone. The short form for microphone is mic. That's what we usually call it. And the microphone is used to record our voice. The next part we are going to discuss is scanner. Scanner takes the photograph of your printed pages and saves it on the computer. So in the scanner, you can scan your vacation photographs, you can scan some interesting cover books and you can save it on your computer. And if you have got a fancy t-shirt, that also you can scan and you will get the exact photo of the same thing. So these are some additional parts of a computer But apart from these, we have many parts which can be connected to computer or a laptop. Like we can connect some external hard disk, we can connect a memory card, we can connect a graphics card, we can connect a joystick, and we can connect a web camera also. So all these are the parts which we can connect to the computer externally. These are called as the additional part. So, in short, we can say a computer has got four main parts and rest are all the additional parts of computer. The four main parts are CPU, keyboard, mouse and monitor. Without this, it is very difficult to run a computer. So, thank you children.